How y'all doing? Welcome back to good old RVing. Today, I'm just going to do a real short video to explain the Progressive Dynamics 9160AL converter. Alright? Basically, it's a 60 amp converter for lithium batteries. Now, the thing with this converter is it's consistent power. Puts out 14.6 consistently. It doesn't turn down. It's not 3-stage. It's just total consistency. You can see on the back it has the fuses for the safety features in it, like reverse polarity and stuff like that. And then it has 2 outputs. Well, I'm only going to use 1 output because I'm replacing the OEM converter with this one because I'm installing the lithium battery. Now, if you look closely, right here, I don't know if you can see it. Right here. That's hard to see. Anyways, there's a spot. There's a spot where you could plug in this device right here. This is called a Shutdown Module. I just received it today. I was waiting for it. And so I'm going to open it up right now. Here's the instructions. Here's the module. And let's hope I don't get contaminated along the way. Okay. So, according to these instructions, this module will plug in right here like this, and the screw right here has to come out and it'll hold it in place. And it looks like you could use a square tip screwdriver, probably the same one you use on all RVs, the number 2 square tip. Actually, in the instructions it says use a 1/4 inch nut driver, but that's a panhead screw. It's not a nut driver type screw. The way it says to connect it is you have the open, that means the charging's on. You have the closed, which means that the charger's off. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is compare this to the back of my Victron BMV 712 Smart battery monitor, because it has a normally open and normally closed spot for it. So that will be the white wire, I'm sure. Then the black wire will be the common or the ground. And so yeah, let's take a look. Let's see what's up. I'm going to go ahead and find a screwdriver and get this put on. What I've also learned that works sometimes, not every time, but you see I got a number 2 square tip and I got a number 3 Phillips. Sometimes a number 3 fits in there just perfect. Look at that. Because of the flat spot in the center, it's wider. So it fills that in just perfect. See, or I could use the square tip, one or the other. Actually, I think that's a number 1 square tip. So I'm going to use the Phillips. Take this out. Just like that. Okay, this one gets plugged in. See now? Can you see it now? A little more light, maybe. So, okay. So we're just going to take this, and you see you can only put it in one way. You see the groove right here? It only goes in one way. Get it lined up. Push that baby in. There it is. Put the screw in. Okay, there we go. that baby's in. Now it's just a matter of hooking up some wires. And so right there, that's what she looks like when she's installed. Okay, that's the shut-off module I just installed. And so I checked some wire that I got yesterday and see about putting it together and checking the length and making sure everything goes together. Let me find the battery monitor and show you where it hooks up on it. Okay, this is the brand new battery monitor right here. Okay. Where it hooks up. Let's see if I can get some light over here. Okay. See the back right here? This goes to your shunt, and this comes with the shunt right here. All right. And it comes with this wire right here to hook into the shunt. All right, this one, if I'm not mistaken, will go to, if you have a color control monitor. What's it called? I want to say BMX. That's not it. The Victron color control monitor. That's an interface to plug into that. And this right here on this side, you have common, which will be black. Then you have normally closed, NC, and normally open. And so I have to figure out which one of those will best work. So I'll read a little bit and figure things out. So until now, or until I get things figured out, this will be, I think, update 6. Okay, then also on the battery monitor, you could set the controls when to turn on or off that relay that it's hooked into. And so that's the other part of it. Okay, and so that's all I got. That's all I got. And hopefully it will stop raining and I'll be able to get this stuff done. Okay, so I hope that this little trick, I don't know how many people are aware of it because nobody told me about it until just recently, and I've been looking into this for months. And so I hope that if you're thinking about just changing your converter for lithium batteries and not using solar right away, now you know how to make it to where you don't have to use a charge wizard or any of that stuff. And your Victron battery monitor will control it for you. And so with that being said, thank you for tuning in and have a great day.